Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. This is explainer number 5 in the series beginning 3D modelling with uModeler. In this explainer I'll overview the key components of 3D objects and look at how I can manipulate them to create unique shapes and forms. I'll start with a brand new Unity scene. I'll add a uModeler Stairs object to my scene in the usual way. I just want 3 or 4 distinct steps for these stairs for now. Let's make these stairs more interesting and difficult to climb. I'll start by scaling the stairs vertically. So far we've only selected an entire object at a time to practice moving, rotating and scaling. Every 3D shape, including boxes and these stairs, is made up of 3 types of components, each of which can be selected and manipulated individually. First, ensure the entire stairs object is selected by clicking the Object tool. The icon to the immediate left is the Polygon tool. Click it now. I refer to this as the Face tool. With this selected, I can now select any individual face on my stairs. I'll use the Move tool as before to pull out this bottom step. I can also rotate just a single face to make a simple ramp like this. Of course, the Scale tool could also be used, but I don't need it right now. The next component to consider is Edges. Click the Edge tool icon. I can select any individual edge of the stairs by clicking on it. Again, the same tools are available for moving, rotating and scaling. I'll make this step a little bit more wonky and more difficult to climb. Finally, select the Vertex tool. Think of a vertex as a point where at least 2 edges meet. I'll move this vertex to make it all but impossible to reach the top of my stairs. As a vertex is essentially just an intersection point, rotating or scaling it won't have any visual effect. 2 tips for you: you can select more than one face, edge or vertex at a time by dragging your mouse across part of the object like this. Or you can multi-select individual components by holding down your Shift key and clicking on each one individually. Be aware there are additional, more complex tools available over here to help you make accurate selections and build complex, precise models. I won't be using these additional tools in this introductory series. Remember that uModeler's own help resources can be found by going to Tools, uModeler, About. Okay, we're ready to create our simple Canyonero car model. Before continuing to the next explainer, practice manipulating the vertices, edges and faces of primitive objects.
Pixels.cool.